this video, you'll learn about the 3D printing options available to you through Miami University libraries. Students, faculty, and staff at Miami have multiple options for 3D printing from the Miami University libraries. You can utilize our makerspace to 3D print objects yourself, or you can submit 3D models to our full service 3D printing service, and we'll print the items for you. Keep in mind that while the makerspace is free to use and has free materials currently, there is a cost associated with full service 3D printing. At the Makerspace, located in King Library, room 303, you can use our Lulzbot Mini 2 3D printers to create 3D printed objects yourself. The Makerspace is a hands-on, highly collaborative, and experiential learning space. The Makerspace features a variety of maker equipment such as 3D printers, CNC mills, sewing machines, touchscreens, virtual reality headsets, teleprompters, 360 cameras, and more. Check the Makerspace webpage for current hours and information on how to access the space. The Lulzbot Mini 2 3D printers have a build area of 6.3 inches by 6.3 inches by 7 inches. We provide filament to print on the Makerspace machines, currently at no cost to you. You can print in multiple colors of PLA plastic on these machines. If you haven't 3D printed before, no worries. There is always staff available in the Makerspace to help you. These 3D printers were chosen specifically because they're extremely user-friendly, especially to beginners. When someone walks into the Makerspace with no previous knowledge of 3D printing, we can get them up and running within about 15 minutes. We never want anyone to feel intimidated by the machinery in the Makerspace. Come in and give it a try. While you are somewhat limited in terms of materials, size, and quality with the self-service 3D printers, full-service 3D printing gives you a wider range of choices. Full-service 3D printing is extremely useful for projects in engineering that require specific material strength or extremely precise tolerances. But the service can be useful to anyone who needs a print that is larger than the build volume on the Lulzbot machines, or a print that needs to be very precise, or if you require a specific type of material. For prices and more specific information, check out the 3D printing webpage through the link shown on the screen or in the information listed beneath this video. Questions? Makerspace staff are always happy to answer your questions. Reach out to us via email or click Ask Us at Create on any of the Makerspace web pages to chat live with a Makerspace staff member. Keep in mind that the chat function is only available Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to noon and 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. We hope to hear from you soon and look forward to seeing you in the Makerspace.